Hi, dear friends, this is Roblox, and let's see today how to create the animation in Roblox Studio. I'm going to Avatar and Rig Builder and creating rig. Let it be R15, feminine, my avatar. Okay, let us move a little bit and here. Rotate. Okay, now let us. Okay, now I'm still in Avatar and I'm going to animation editor. Click on it. Now, this is our animation editor. So let us choose the part of the body we want to animate. I click on the body and let us see. Now this is timeline. The length of our animation is 1. It's in seconds. Let's change timeline length. Let's do it something like 3 seconds. I think it will be okay. Okay. Now you see 3 seconds. These are the steps we can use if you want to do it more often. You will just move this slider on a smaller distance and that's it. Okay, so we choose our body, our torso, and let's go to rotate, for example, and let's rotate. Not like this, but like that. Okay, see that upper torso is animated. The first keyframe is set up. Let's move a little bit, and here you can see our next step when it will be in 0.07 seconds. Okay, let us do. It's good to do it so often because the less distance between movements means nicer animation. I think this is good either. Let us turn more. Now I'm changing the part to move. Let it be the left hand. Okay, and let us turn it, for example. Something like this. You see, right hand, I'm sorry. Right upper arm is animated. Okay. For example, here, let it be more movement. Something like this. Now the palm, we choose the palm and let us rotate it either. See, right hand is animated. And now let us say her upper torso is chosen again and let us rotate. Something like this. All those are keyframes. Set up. Let us rotate her left foot and so on. Something like this. And let us see now. If you think it's good, just go to Untitled Animation, let us save it, save as new, and it will be saved here. You see the way of saving, it will be saved here in Explorer, Rig, and let us be like movements. Okay, save. It's saved now. And now if you will do something new, you can click here and create new animation. You will do something and then you want to go back to your created already, just click load movements and you can change it, do whatever you want else. You can publish it to Roblox, but we'll do it later, not now. If you think that something is not good for you, like for example she's moving too fast at the very beginning, then you can move by clicking left click of your mouse over keyframes, move it a little bit to right or to left. Here, move this one, move that one, left click and holding, move it. Okay, now let's see. Or even slower. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.